How to enable or disable cloud processing on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to DJI Mimo application. In DJI homepage, go to profile on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap profile. And profile, you can see here these settings. Okay, tap settings. In settings and privacy and settings section, you can see here the cloud processing. And the cloud processing is disabled. Okay, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So when enable, photos and videos can be uploaded to cloud. Cloud editing such as adding embasistic effects will not be available after disabling. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And if you want to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled cloud processing on DJI Mimo application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.